Ever dreamed of snagging those must-have Asos pieces without the immediate financial pinch? Today, we're diving into how you can make that a reality by using Clearpay for your Asos hauls, making your favorite fashion more accessible than ever. First things first, get your Asos shopping spree underway. Browse through their amazing selection. Find all those outfits, shoes, and accessories you've been eyeing and add them all to your shopping bag. Don't hold back. Clearpay is here to help. Once you're happy with your selections and your cart is overflowing, it's time to proceed to checkout. You'll see a clear summary of your order and the total amount you need to pay. Now for the magic moment, scroll down to the payment options. You'll see various ways to pay, but look for the Clearpay logo. Simply select Clearpay as your chosen payment method. After selecting Clearpay, you'll be presented with a clear breakdown of your payment schedule. This shows you the total amount, how much your first payment will be, and the dates for your remaining interest-free installments. Review this carefully and then confirm your Clearpay payment. And that's it. Your order is placed. Clearpay will automatically remind you when your next payment is due, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your new Asos finds. You might want to download the Clearpay app to easily track your payments and manage your account. So there you have it. Using Clearpay on Asos is a fantastic way to spread the cost of your fashion favorites and enjoy a stress-free shopping experience. Happy shopping!